Hi, I'll show you how to create a coding box. So first we set up the backgrounds. You can use a grid box for a background as well. I like to use the big grid which is 70 pixels wide, and then you can copy paste from the internet as well. So any image that you want, you can set it as the background on the canvas. And then you put your characters. So I have an anteater and a chicken that you can resize them. Then put the drop zones. That's where the coding blocks go. So put two drop zones, one for each of the characters that you want to animate. So I have two, and now in you can copy the characters where you want them. So, but in each of the drop zones, it needs to one instance needs to be there so that the code knows who to animate. And if you have multiple annotators, it will apply the same code to them. Now the next thing you want to do is right click this thing and say make coding block, right? And 70 is the size of the grid, so it fits nicely, right? And the last thing is to add a run button. So add link and run code block, right? And then the kids can use it. Now you can erase the chicken and the anteater which is on top. Now you invite the student. The student gets their own copy of this thing. They can go to the manipulatives, go to block code. They can put a loop, right? So the loop, you can have nested loops. You can say how many times you want to loop this, 4 times, and then move right. And you can put multiple actions in a loop block or outside the loop block, right? And then rotate right. Similarly for the anteater, we say 3 times and then move down, move up, and that's it, right? And now if I run this, I click run, right? You can see that all the objects are getting animated. You can create your own maps. You can watch the students in the grid view as the animation is running. It's very, very cool. Let us know what you think. Thank you.